Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jibin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is component of e-procurement suite, and we will see how e-procurement should help in organization. So we have earlier discussed about e-procurement and its advantage and disadvantage. Now we will cover the components of e-procurement. The first component of e-procurement is indent management. This process, basically the first step involved in e-tendering, indent creation or the creation of requisition is undertaken, followed by its evaluation and approval. As you know, e-procurement is done over the internet. It is known for selling and purchasing the products. So the second component is RFX creation. RFX is a catch all term for terms like request for proposal, request for information, request for bids, and request for quotes. This step involves the creation of RFX and formulation of technical and commercial qualification criteria. The RFX is then published and the prospective bidders are invited. Bid submission. The interested bidders then register themselves on the e-procurement portal and submit their bids, which would be detailed account of their technical as well as commercial qualification. Bid opening and evaluation. Once the bids are successfully submitted, they are evaluated and the vendors are scrutinized. Thereafter, the shortlisted vendors are invited for e-auction. E-auction is the carried out for procuring the goods or services under the consideration. E-auction too can be of several types depending on the specific requirement, and it is done over the internet. As you know, auction means you purchase the price by giving bids, and the highest bidding on the auction, right? The vendor selection and finalization. After the e-auction, according to the requirement, one or more vendors are finalized and the purchase order issued. This step included the procurement process, vendors and contract management. This additional module is included to manage and catalog the vendors and to evaluate their services. So now we will see how e-procurement helps in organization. The manual procurement process has always been posted by the inefficiency of the system. There is a lack of transparency, less accessibility, and or warranted expenditures. E-procurement platform can overcome all these shortcomings and thus prove to be necessary of for any business. In this digital world, we all want to do a smart work, and e-procurement helps to the organization to make their organization beneficial. So these are the some silent features of e-procurement. The first one is your the it leads the considerable reduction in the time involved in the procurement process. A great deal of transparency results due to successful implementation of such platform. An e-procurement platform can drastically increase the market reach for both buyers as well as suppliers. E-procurement can tackle the malpractice of cartel information to a great extent. It ensures safety of all the information being provided by users. This data safety is the time compromised in the manual procurement process. Okay, and the last, it is reduce the simplify the steps involved in it. So as you know, e-procurement or electronic procurement refers to the process of purchase and sales of goods or services through electronic method, and it is everything done over the internet, and it is a help in supply chain management. It is a vital for any business organization invest a lot of resources in the process of procuring goods, services, and raw materials. So on efficient and streamlined procurement process is a huge advantage for businesses. Right, so this is all about this session. Thank you. I hope you like my session. This digital session is provided by digital version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.